backyard guests. Celebrate summer.
Patuloy, tinitaser. Tol. Diretso kami kulungan nito. Bahagi kayo.
Hindi, pag lumabas.
Bray, music. Banks, you supposed to
Patulong boy, patulong ako.
Nakulong!
Patulong ako sa labas. Ang ina nyo! Ang ina nyo, magbarilin nyo!
Alam, babay.
Ang ina nyo!
Nahuli.
Barilin nyo, gagon ka!
Nagasambulansa.
Wala, tarantado, tinatarantado.
Pinusasali.
Barilin nyo!
Pinusasal.
Yeah!
Aray ko po. Pinutasan.
Tayo na ninyo! Uy, gago, binaril yung ano. Uy, ano kayo nanonood? Huwag kayo manood!
Wala ka dyan.
Banks, come back inside. Banks, come back inside. Banks, come back inside.
Yeah, Deku requested that inmate.
You can't leave, stupid.
Yeah, sent your friend to Jesus.
Tangalan nyo, patulong naman ako dito.
Pendejo. I sent your buddy to Jesus. But she not my girl.
Show me right to the bar.
I'll meet Andy on route to the bar. There are charges.
Patulong naman ako dito, men.
You are in PD and you have a badge.
Abangan nyo lang sa labas.
You can respond to the call.
Abangan nyo kasi lalabas kami. Magtatawag ng backup yun. Tatawag ng backup.
Fuck off.
Tanganan nyo, patulong naman ako. Huwag kayong patawa-tawa dyan. Ako nagsakripisyo sa inyo.
Show me on scene.
Shut the fuck up.
Show Lincoln 2890 1023. 10-4.
Somebody get Banks back to PDG ASAP. But make sure you're
I
safe.
got you.
Boy, pa-backup naman, boy.
Bray, you don't have no scar card, so
Aming
how you
backup
gonna make
na
sure
polis
she get
nila.
PDG?
Gago, huwag kayo muna sumunod.
Repeat that. I'm right outside of the bar. Where you at?
I'm back
Ayun
in
na, papunta
PDG.
na dyan, boy. Papunta dyan sa police station.
Alright.
May backup to, may backup.
He's speaking Tagalog. He speaks Tagalog.
2890 bar looks code 4. I'm diverting to HP.
He's Filipino.
Did anybody give Banks her 1015? All right, bet. I'm waiting for you now.
2890 responding to HP.
10 for copy. Show me around.
Wala ba, ano nyo, abangan nyo lang, papunta na dyan sa police station.
Heading back to PDG with Miss So Cool.
Kuya, tamahimik
Ano,
ka
may
na.
backup, men, may backup, may backup doon. Nasa likod yung backup.
Tamahimik ka na.
Ano, papunta na kami police station. Pabaano lang yun, pagambang na lang kayo.
Tamahimik ka. Manahing. I told him to listen and shut up in his own language. I've been to the Philippines, that's why. No, he's speaking Tagalog.
Tango na, Pilipino. Pilipino pala tong isa na Carlos, oh.
Yes, I know. Yeah, there's a lot of really nice.
How many suspect we're dealing at HP?
2890, I'm at HP.
Yan na, boy. Bakambang na, boy.
Show me
Ready na kayo
around.
dyan?
Mr. Rodriguez, mahal kita po.
Ay, gago. May backup yan, boy.
No gago. Gago bakla. No bakla.
Carlos.
Balut talaga.
Bilisan nyo! Makukulong na ako, gago. Sa basement ako. Tang. Ay na, sa basement ako dinaan.
Mr. Rodriguez, salamat po.
Okay, Banks. All right? So Banks, did you do everything correctly? You read him his rights, all that. Check his ID.
Ay na, pag bumalik lang ako, papatayin ko tong,
Did
ano,
you
Mr.
did you
ano.
did you put a 1028 on him? Did you put a 1028 on him? Oh, then again,
Sige, abangan nyo ako. Ano, mag-GBL card ako. Isa
yeah,
lang
just
naman
go ahead and put
violation ko
it.
dito, eh.
Did you already charge him? All right, yeah. So put a 1028. They put his name in the floppy.
Mr. Rodriguez. Manahimik ka. I apologize. He does not speak Spanish. He speaks Tagalog. It's a Filipino language.
Don't worry, I'll do that a lot too.
Mr. Rodriguez, mi ex-jowa es Pinoy. She's from Palawa, Puerto Princesa.
Buenos dias, Almoranas.
Ah, you speak Spanish too. ¿Habla español?
Bro, I don't know what's going on with my game, bro, but it's lagging real bad for some reason.
CG Nova,
The
Marcel, 1020.
VPN.
It just died.
The VPNs that the Filipinos use.
Wow, because you went on the mirror to HP.
Yeah, it was a bunch of gangs out there. They requested for backup. We was heading right back to PD until we seen all this happen at HP. And I tried to help her
Yeah,
out.
I ain't gonna hold. I don't go to HP. They can have HP, to be honest. All right, so what you charging him with, Banks, before, yeah. Because you can't charge.
That's resisting arrest. Okay.
All right, just remind you, you can't. The only ones you can put on them is 3.1s. Anything else, you go to a vested or a suited.
Did you put it? What was the initial reason for stopping him?
All right, so he got a 1.12. No, it's not a civilian. He already got a 1.12.
Oh,
Once he hit the officer, then he already got that 1.12 and that 2.4. Carlos, you can go ahead and put that 2.4 on him. That 3.5 do not exist, so please do not put that on him, Banks. So the
Yep.
so yeah, so the only ones he should be getting is the 3.1, 3.2, and the 2.4, and that should be it. And then we can take him to the jail cells. I can get a screenshot of your arrest, and then yeah, and then you can send me your body cam so I can add it to the training form, and then you can make your arrest log.
Show Carlos Alvarez back on patrol.
All right, hold on. Before you do it.
Sir, you have at least 5 minutes left on your
I told you, leave
visitation.
me alone. I'm making a call.
Okay, I got the screenshot. You can go ahead and do it now.
I told you, little boy.